Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. I really only want to focus on the shorter time frame in this video. Tomorrow we're going to take a look at the larger time frame again. Bitcoin has moved obviously yesterday, today, from the lower boundary of the range to the upper boundary of the range. Talked about that. The green line isn't broken. Why is the green line important? Because the green line would invalidate, or not the green line invalidates, but if the price breaks above the green line at $102,000, the triangle pattern will be invalidated. The triangle that I'm tracking is this: A, B, C, D, E. And then we could go up from there. Yeah, I'm not married to that triangle, so I don't really mind if it gets invalidated, because we also have the yellow scenario on the chart, to which I added a let's say micro patterns, a micro roadmap that I already shared throughout the afternoon on Discord with our gold members. And this is also being filled in. They are both valid at the moment, but there is a key pivot that we can use to distinguish between the two, and that's the 98,780 level. We'll talk about that in this video. Okay, so it could either be the triangle. To be honest, there are many wave patterns at the moment on the smaller time frame, because we are still in this range. So if you watched previous videos, I mean, if there's one thing I've called well, is that we will probably spend some time in this range. Talked about this sideways range here, that we might spend some time exactly in here. On some days above 100k, on some days below 100k, again back above 100k, below 100k. That's what we see right now, and we spend a bit of time in there. That's just the indecision phase. Yeah. I mean, sometimes people say, like, could go up, could go down. Of course, I mean, that's what I'm saying. And it's doing that, right? It's doing that. Sometimes it's important to recognize when the market is in a, let's say, indecision phase. And the Elliott waves help us understand that as well. And in these times, it's worth to be maybe a little bit more careful until the market has actually made a decision. But in the short term, we were looking at an uptrend. Yesterday, I explained to you that if this swing low is holding, so there was a potential for a low here, we could test the 100k region, 100k area again. We're doing that. Throughout the day then, we saw the pattern fill in and the market pushed higher. Throughout the day, that was after the last video, I think, we saw the price already. Yeah, there was a micro support area I communicated already on Discord, to which the price reacted. A break below it, below 99,480, would have confirmed a top, or at least it would have been an indication. But no, there was this micro support area for a wave 4 internally, to which the price reacted and we pushed higher. That was one thing that happened today. And then if I scroll down lower, these are the updates for all gold members. So you see I covered OM today. So it's mantra, mantra. It's mantra, isn't it? Cody, eGold, whatever. I wanted to show you that, yeah, the idea was, okay, we could form, that was then later afterwards. Now that we've arrived at this green line, we could form another 4-5 pattern, and support is between 98,700 and 100,300 roughly. I think that shifted once more, I can't remember, but we'll double check. But the idea was, okay, we have the potential for one more 4-5 pattern. Watch for the buyers to step in when we reach this area. Now let's switch back to the live chart. Actually, the price did react exactly to that level, and we pushed higher. But is this already the fifth wave? Well, that low must hold. But we really only reacted to that 23.6 fib level, so we could test it lower a little bit, right? Could always go a little lower in an ABC structure. Either way, this is now a decision point, because we are at an invalidation point of the triangle, at a key pivot. It's of course not that easy to break above, so the market might try several times, but a break below 98,780 would indicate that we are indeed in the E wave down of the triangle. So I see two clear pathways. One is that we are, so from here, I mean, we might test it again or not, that's sort of really micro stuff. That will be decided in real time. But as long as we're holding this support region, the market might push higher once more in a B wave. And if we then see a first 5-wave move down, followed by a 3-wave pullback, that might send us down lower again, clearly below 100k. Yeah, and again, it might find support there again, and we might go up a bit, and it is this range, right? Now, the other pathway would be, this is an A wave. Oh, we might still find support there, but the move up is corrective, and we go down, and then in 3 waves, we also go below 100K, but then could find support here again in that E wave of the triangle with another breakout potential to the upside. So these are sort of the scenarios I'm tracking here, just 2 scenarios. I don't see a very clear pathway for a direct breakout in 110K from here, even though that B wave can overshoot and all sorts of things. So at the moment, the main takeaway is we have a support zone to watch. As long as we're holding above it, it might push higher once more. Below, we might test that lower trend line here off the triangle around the 96K area. That's sort of how I see it at the moment. And again, my commentary remains the same. We need to remain flexible in this range. We see micro patterns which might just lead to random up and down movements just due to the indecision in this phase and in this range overall. Yeah, so I hope that helps a little bit. That's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested in the membership, you can follow the link in the description. Takes you to our website, mcoglobal.com. You click on the membership page, and here you can watch the videos that explain the membership. If you have any questions, reach out by email. It's info@morecryptoonline.com. You can also contact us via WhatsApp here on the website. If you have any question about the subscriptions or membership or how it works, let us know. And I wish you a great day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.